Hey friends, today we are going to look at contractions. We are going to see that a contraction is a short way of saying or writing two words as one word. Let's take a look at the example, he's. In the word he's, you can see that an apostrophe is taking the place of the letters that are left out. An apostrophe kind of reminds me of a comma that's in the air that replaces one or a few letters. In this case, the apostrophe is replacing the letter I. Let's look at the word she'll. If I say, she'll go to the store and come right back, she'll is an abbreviation for she will. In this case, the apostrophe replaces the two letters W-I and shortens it up for us so that we only have to write one word. Another example of a contraction is I'm. A lot of you are familiar with the word I'm because it stands for I am. It's a commonly used contraction. So here, the apostrophe is taking the place of the letter A. You are is another example of how a contraction can be made. In the words you and are, I can make the word your. Take a look at you are and what letter was replaced by the apostrophe or that little comma in the air. You're right if you said the A has been replaced with the apostrophe. You are turns into your. So instead of me saying, you are going to school today, we could say, you're going to school today. All right, time for some practice, friends. I am giving you a list of 5 words, or phrases, I should say, that we can turn into contractions or words that are shortened words with an apostrophe. I would like you to pause this video and have a conversation with your learning guide on how you could shorten these words to make them into contractions. When you are done, I would like you to play the video and come back and check your work. Ready? Here we go. All right, friends, let's see how you did. For the word you will, you could make that you'll. Instead of saying you will play at first base tonight, your coach could easily say you'll play first base. So the apostrophe in this case replaces 2 letters. It replaces the W and it also replaces the I. Could not is a common one that you've probably heard. Could not becomes couldn't. So in this case, and anytime you have the word not, the apostrophe replaces that vowel, that O. We have. We have turns into we've. Here you see that the apostrophe now takes place of the 2 letters H and A to make the contraction we've. She had becomes she'd. Here I'm also taking away the 2 letters H and A to make the contraction she'd. And last but not least, we have I would. I would becomes I'd. Here, I'd take away the W, O, the U, and the L to make it real easy to just write I'd instead of I would. You've had some great practice today. Now what I would like you to do is to complete page 146 in your Readers and Writers Journal. Great job, friends!